Today, let's check out this 1985 Honda XL80S. Well, welcome to Bader International. I'm just going to go over this nice little 1985 Honda XL80S, as I just mentioned. I've had this bike for a number of years. It's sort of been one of those back burner projects, and I finally got her done. The bike was a little bit worse for wear, and went ahead and pulled her down all the way down to the frame, painted the frame up, left the original paint on the gas tank and the fenders, cleaned everything up on the bike very nicely. Got brand new tires, chain, full tune and service, sprockets, the whole 9 yards. So the bike is virtually ready to go. Make a great pit bike, or if you had one of these when you were a kid, this would be a fun bike to own and just run around on. The items that the bike is missing is the turn signals as well as the front speedometer cable. If I find them before the sale, I'll put them on. If not, she'll go as is. These are fun little bikes, and again, if you're growing up in the 80s, this was the bike to have. They made the XR80S as well, but wasn't much difference between the two other than lights and turn signals. This bike is selling on a bill of sale, as I don't have a title for it. And if I got one, then I'd have to charge more for the bike. So, long story short, this is what you see is what you get. But it runs out very nicely. The engine only has 858 miles on the odometer, but being that it's missing the speedometer cable or the cable to the front fork, I can't say exactly how many miles the engine does have. I did pull the top cover off. The thing is very clean. When you fire it up, there's no cam chain noise or anything along those lines, so it's got plenty of miles left in her before she ever needs any major work done on it. Well, you can check this bike out on our website at baderinternational.com, or if you want to call me direct on it, my number is 805-798-1802. If you like what you see here and you like all the videos that we do, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button on our channel. If you have any comments, please feel free to get a hold of me direct.